Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar's Cocina. Today what I'm going to be making is Caldo De Res, which is a beef soup. And it's going to be so delicious. Come on, let's go. Whoop, whoop. All right, here we go. Here's the ingredients: pepper, salt, olive oil. Of course, it's gonna go with the rice. Corn, cabbage, corn, zucchini, bell pepper, potatoes, onions, garlic, limes, carrots. This is called chayote. I don't think there's a name in English for that. So, and yuca. I don't know if you guys ever had yuca, which is very similar to potato, but much better. And cilantro, and of course here's my beef, which is chunks. With that, I'm going to be dicing it up, and this is little short ribs as well, so it's going to be really, really good. Come on, let's go, follow me. All right, here we go. We're going to rinse out the meat, and then I'm going to take some of the fat out. So I usually like to do it about 3 times. And I'll go through it 3 times, rinse it out really well. Make sure everything comes off those bones, whatever's stuck in there. Taking some of that fat out already. You want to leave just a little fat in there, you know, that way the soup can have a better flavor to it. But not much fat though. Nice, look at that one shot. Beautiful. On this, I don't want to leave no fat at all, because my daughters are very, very picky, and of course I want them to have the best, you know, no fat, lean. Now we're gonna chop it up in pieces, just like that. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. All right, here we go. I got the water already steaming. Now we're gonna put the short ribs in there. Ooh, look at that, nice. All right, the fire, it's a little bit above medium right now, you know, so like I said, just cover it up for an hour and a half, and the meat is gonna be falling off the bones. So now we're gonna add all the bell peppers, onions, garlic, and all that. I'm gonna slice up the bell peppers. I like to use 2 of them, you know, it gives the soup a really, really good flavor to it. Want to slice it up, you know, pretty thin. That way it'll dissolve in the soup, you know. There you go. I'm gonna slice up 1.5 onions. You could just do it the long way. Cut it in half. And then garlic cloves, I like to use at least 4 or 5, just to give a nice flavor to it. There we go. Alright, here we go. We're gonna add on the vegetables, bell pepper, onions, garlic. It's all mixed together. Look how nice that looks. Ooh. We're gonna add on some pepper. I would say about a tablespoon of pepper. Should be good. And then we're gonna add on some salt. And then you can taste it later on. You can always add on to it, you know, later. So for right now, that should be good enough. Now we're gonna squeeze some limes. I like to squeeze about 4 limes, 4 or 5 limes from the beginning, and you can always add more if you want. Perfect. Now we're gonna Mix it all together. Just spread it around everywhere. Ooh, look at that short rib right there. Looking good. Those baby will be falling off the bone, I'll tell you that. Cover it up for another hour, 15 minutes. And then we're gonna add on the corn, the yuca, I know that, potatoes, zucchini, cabbage, and that chayote. Ooh, look at that, babies. Coming along great. So I'm gonna add on, I bought a couple cilantro, 2 of them. I like to add on one from the beginning. That way it'll give a nice extra flavor to it, and one almost like 20 minutes before it's ready. So it'll add more flavor to it, extra flavor to it. Wow, nice. All right, now we're gonna clean that corn. I bought 3 corn. I'm gonna clean it up nice and fresh. There you go. Trash that baby out. Clean it up well. Clean the potatoes up, peeling it. There we go. And we're gonna use about, my girl, like I said, my girls are potatoes head. Me, I love yuca. So I'm probably gonna put about 6 potatoes in there, maybe 8. All right, I'm gonna slice up the chayote. I bought 2 of them. And with this, you don't need to peel if you don't have to, you know. But I'm gonna cut it in 4s. There you go, 4 slices. We're gonna cut the yuca. Wanna do it, gotta be careful, it's a little tough. Lift the end of it. There you go. I'll show you guys how to peel it off. Just make a little line, be careful, and then just lift it up. It's a little tough. It's not like the potato. You just play with it, go around, nice and slow. Just keep on lifting it up softly. Bam, there we go. All right, the yuca, you want to cut it in half. Once you peel it, it'll cook faster that way. Now we're gonna slice up zucchinis, cut the end of it on both sides. And I like to cut it in 4 pieces. There we go. Okay, I like to use about 5 zucchinis in that. I love zucchinis. Can't go wrong with them. Now we're gonna wait till, like I said, cook the meat for about 1.5 hours with all the ingredients in it, and then we're gonna add all this together, because this should take about another extra 35 minutes. Slice up cabbage. I think we're gonna do it in 5 little pieces, long ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it comes out like this. This at the end, I'll show you guys. You throw it on top, and this should take, cabbage takes only like probably like 15 minutes to cook. That's it. Let's do the corn. I'm gonna make it small, 4 little pieces. There you go. Perfect. Potatoes. Okay, I'm just make 3 pieces each potato, just like that. I like to add on about 4 carrots in there. About that big, that's good enough. Potato, like I said, potato about 7 or 8 because of my daughters. They love potatoes. And that's it. We're gonna wait another hour. All right, here we go. We're gonna make the rice now. Add some oil to it. Pan has been heating up for about 10 minutes now. So just remember, make sure you fry it up until, you know, it gets a little golden. This is jasmine rice. I love to use jasmine rice. So this one just it gets like a lighter color to it. So just keep on stirring it up for like I would say for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add the water. So it was 1 cup of rice, and it's gonna be 2 cups of water. Okay, here we go. Now that the rice is getting a little golden, or like a lighter white color to it version, so we're gonna add on 2 cups of water. We're gonna add on some salt to it, and then you know you can always taste it. Like right there, that's enough. All right, now that I added the salt to it, let me taste it. Perfect. Don't need to add on anymore. Now we're gonna wait till the water simmers down to the same level as the rice. Once it does that, you turn it, you cover it up, then you turn it down to like low, you know, low. Or if you have a stove that has a number to it, put it in number 2. See, the water is the same level as the rice, so just put it on low, cover it up for like 20 minutes, and booyah! All right, here we go. It's about 1 hour and 35 minutes. So what I usually do is take all the meat out. It's already falling off the bone. See that? See the bone by itself. All right, here's that second cilantro. This is what's gonna give it a really good flavor to it. All right, we're gonna add on the potatoes now, and we're gonna add on the yuca. Nice and slow. Zucchinis. Add on the corn. Add on some carrots. Put the lid on it and let it cook in there another, I would say 30 minutes. All right, here we go. Now it's got 10 minutes left, so we're gonna put the cabbage on top. That should take only like 10 minutes, 10-15 at the most. So it's already been cooking there for half hour, the vegetables. There you go. Put another one in there. That should be good enough. So, like I said, it should take another 10 minutes, 15 at the most. All right, here we go. Should be ready now. What I'm gonna do now is, you know, it took a total of 3 hours and 10 minutes, because like I said, I like my meat to fall off the bone. So now we're gonna remove the cabbage. That way we'll be able to get the rest of the vegetables, and the best part's coming up. You don't have to remove all of them. You could just, I just want to be able to grab every single vegetable in there. Now that I took most of the cabbage out, we're gonna put the meat back in there, let it warm up for like 10 minutes, and we're gonna serve ourselves. Right, everyone, this is the best part. Let's try the soup out. This is the way I usually eat it. So delicious. Get some of that zucchini. And the yuca. Wow, so delicious. It's got all the flavor in there, bell pepper, onions, fresh garlic and all that. I just want to thank every single one of you for your like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless you all. Love you. Enjoy your day.